Hello and welcome to another new video. You're watching Handlebar Explorer. Today's ride is going to be more or less 140-kilometer ride. It's 8:20, 8:30 I guess. I am over a river bridge which you must have seen before. But yeah, update is that I have been doing a couple of rides, endurance sort of. More time on the saddle, non-stop and shit. So today's ride is going to be similar, 140k. Try to cover it in about 6 to 6.5 hours with a stopping time of 1 hour max to max. But yeah, I got late, not because it was my fault sort of, but yeah, basically I was talking with a client at night and he started texting me at 1 a.m. and when I was almost about to wrap up and sleep. So yeah, that is the update. The format of the video is going to be a little bit different, but let's see. Keep watching. One of the uncle was making fun, like maro or jor se maro. Anyhow, update wise, did 21.2 kilometer at 25 average. 50 minutes हो गया है. There is fair bit of headwind on this route because even though there are some trees, these are not too big trees, so and the winter wind is already here, that cold breeze. I haven't checked the time, probably 9:15 or something. Okay, so reaching the toll. Next I'm gonna stop for PP and water break. I haven't stopped yet. 26.3 kilometer at 1 hour and 3 minutes. Another flyover coming up on this side. I did not come because of the construction and underpass was not good. I don't know अभी भी कैसा है, but yeah, since I have to go way long, so I just dared. साइकिल भी थोड़ा सर्विस करना है, तो yeah, it's all mucky. Gotta keep construction almost बहुत सारा हो ही है. It'll be fun to go straight up, but yeah, I am going straight up today, about 40 kilometers from this side. I am at 29.5, so yeah, I do have about 40 kilometers to go straight and then head back, so there will be 140 kilometers for me. Generally, I guess this is the way that is going to be my way when I have to go to my native place, if you saw my Bihu vlog. But yeah, today I have to go straight up. Pretty nice, not bad. This is called Baihata Chareli here. This is almost sort of like a junction point. I just drank water, कुछ खाया नहीं अभी तक. सुबह 1.5 piece अंडा खा के निकला because one of the egg was bad, rotten sort of. So yeah, decided to throw it away, but I did gulp a few bites and I don't feel good after that. Anyhow, so update wise, if you see how my upper body looks, it's not dirty. I mean, it is dirty. I haven't washed it after one of the rides and I'm going to wash it, but the issue is that these are all sunscreen stains. Yeah, so I saw a few speed breakers, like those are fucking huge. They're gonna bust your wheels. Anyways, yeah, this happens because these are sunscreen stains on like orange color, like rusty. I wear sunscreen, like even though it's like winter right now sort of. I'm still putting the sunscreen on. So yeah, जो sunscreen मैं use करता है, like that probably leaves stains and stuff. It's a general sunscreen. Yeah, so yeah, that is that. ये stain जाता नहीं है. So yeah, be careful and maybe have or use an expensive one. I haven't used. I use a Vaseline one. It's SPF 30 or 50 or something like that. Oh, yellow color bottle है. But yeah, this is a new t-shirt by the way, so yeah, it got fucked up on the first try itself. Under construction area, look at the freaking dust. Sheesh. घर जाके पूरा नहाना पड़ेगा, और तो घर जाके नहाएगा वैसे भी, बट दिस विल इफेक्ट आवर लंग्स मैन for sure. But yeah, interestingly the bridge is quite long as well. Okay, so this is a proper highway that connects straight to Siliguri and beyond. Basically this is the main road. Yeah, that was the update. 36 kilometer, 24.3 average. Not a lot of cyclists come this way according to me, because I haven't seen much. Anyhow, I have about 25 kilometers to go. Okay, I'm at 43.4 kilometers with 24.2 average. I have noticed something, you know, I always ride on the left hand side of the shoulder, behind the, I mean right beside the white line or crease. It is pretty clean on this side. I don't know why, if it is a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, it is actually clean. Otherwise, near the city or the first 30 kilometers, there is always grit on half of the trees. So that is that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna reach Rongia right now. तो उसके बाद next 50 kilometer पे I'll wait, stop, maybe get a coke or something. Also need to put water on one of the bottle because it's getting empty. So yeah, it is fun so far. I had a gel because I was feeling a little bit of cramps and all, like pre-cramp stage. So I was like, डाल ही लेते. My God, speed breaker है कि नहीं है? नहीं है. Okay, yeah, that's about it. So we reached Rongia. Now the good or bad thing, I don't know. I kinda need to, I probably नीचे से जाएगा, but yeah, I kinda need to wash my hand because while I was having the gel, it kinda spewed out from the side, and since it's colorless, my now entire hand is sticky, the right hand. So yeah, ये आते समय उठेगा. I wanted to get up, but I think I'll hit a shop. Feeling a little bit of cramps because I've been sitting for 45 kilometers constantly. Might drink and get some stuff, maybe choco pie or something, because that is what I eat as a fuel. So yeah. Getting banana for fuel on the road. हो गया मेरा पोटासियम मैग्नीशियम सब कुछ आ जाएगा. Got half a dozen of banana for 25 rupees. It's cheap probably because the size is small, but yeah, basically I'm sorted until the end of the ride. I just need to get hydration now, because usually मैं banana ही खाता है, but घर पे लाया नहीं. और we had trees, but this is like the start of the winter ride. तो उससे just पहले इतना गर्म हुआ, सब पक के फटाफट गल गया. So it all ripened and stuff, so could not eat properly. But yeah, army convoy. Onto an overbridge ending Rongia. I'm at 50k. So yeah. Okay, so got these, and I already have a whole bunch of banana actually. So got this whole bunch of banana. I'm gonna have 2 for now. बाकी रास्ते में खाएगा. Okay, so out from the place I had 2 banana, 1 coke as I showed. Now the update is it's 52 kilometers, so I might do 25 more kilometers because I'm feeling because I'm feeling good. कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाए तो I might cut it short. But अगर if I do 25 more kilometer, then today's distance is going to be 150 by 3:30. So that's that. I'm wearing black glass, but looks like the sky is heavy. I'm not sure. सफ़ेद बादल बहुत सारा है. But yeah, pretty nice roads actually. I'm kinda enjoying. Okay, so I'm in the Nolbari territory. So this side, basically the place or the area around my left is Nolbari. और ये that side is I guess BTAD area. I'm not really sure. Baksa होता है, but I haven't explored that side of the road. This side I know. Couple of friends are from this side of the road. There is a big city, but roads are pretty small inside, so I'm not gonna go from that way. So वहाँ से भी गुवाहाटी निकल सकता है. Water body. Looks like there might be a toll up front. Let's see. Khograpar apparently. Khograpar. I mistook. It's not Nolbari. It's Khograpar. But yeah, they are saying it's. I mean, I guess it's part of Nolbari, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, pretty big city kind of area. Gotta move out ASAP. So this is where you enter Nolbari. I'm going straight. Nolbari का रास्ता ठीक कर दिया है, खाली छोटा है. That's the problem. And buses, Star Bus and something, those kind of buses runs on the inside. It's kind of sketchy for cyclists at least. Okay, so a quick update. This is Nolbari. I am at Nolbari. I went ahead and then turned back about 5 more kilometers, and basically like 66 kilometers pe I turned back. I'm at 68 kilometer right now. Update is that my crotch is aching, which is why I'm not being able to sit properly. And I know why it is happening, because मैं pressure release नहीं किया while I'm riding, so I was basically constantly sitting. So कभी-कभी उठ के भी चलाना पड़ता है, so that your pressure gets released. But what happened is that my crank is a bit loose, maybe my BB is loose, so that is why I did not take the chance. Anyhow, अभी घर जा रहा है. I'm at 68.1, 22.7 एवरेज. 3 घंटा हो गया अभी तक, so I guess और 3 घंटे में घर पहुंच जाना चाहिए. But I might get slow because कहीं पे ढंग से रुका नहीं है. But yeah, that is Nolbari for you, and I'll be onwards. Pretty dead right now because of the pain. Also, I'm not being able to pee because I did not try for a long time, and then now that I'm peeing, it kind of hurts. Drank almost a lot of water. I don't know what's wrong, but yeah. Soon to reach home, let's say in about 57 kilometers is that what the milestones are saying, but pretty bloated right now. 4 केला खाया सिर्फ for 80 kilometer since 8:15 in the morning. Gotta leave because too much of crowd here, like full on national highway vibe. Gotta go. Bye bye. Okay, quick update. Reached Rongia, about 50k from here. Getting up on the flyover right now, which I did not do the last time. Pretty massive bridge, not gonna lie. It's like an overbridge, but I don't think the city is that big. Like the city is supposed to be on this side, but yeah, the city is not that big. देखिए इतना बड़ा bypass चाहिए. But yeah, probably could also be because there is army activity here. Border force का कुछ है. So that could be the reason. But yeah, pretty tired. 86.5 right now. I'm gonna stop somewhere after this 2 times. एक बार तो रेस्ट के लिए, दूसरा बार आई हैव टू पी समवेयर wherever I get a petrol pump. I think my face doesn't look good. I mean, it doesn't look good anyways, but yeah, probably it's dirty right now. I have a 7-Up on my back and some water that I'll survive with. But yeah, look at the bridge, man. Look at the bridge, it's pretty big. I'm at 102 kilometer, probably about 29 kilometer to reach home, 29-30 kilometer to reach home. Yeah, 1.5 घंटे में पहुंच जाएगा. I might eat something. I'm kind of feeling hungry, like proper solid, not just banana and stuff. And yeah, this is the condition of the road, bumpy. So yeah, I'll see you when I wrap up, but probably 1:30 हो जाएगा. That's the idea. If I don't conclude as well, you will get to know. Coming towards the end of the ride, it's 110 kilometer right now. I have about 23 kilometer to go. So let's summarize today's ride. First off, I had only 5 bananas, 1 packet of chips and 1 gel that can be considered as solid. Rest all liquid. Only 3 20 rupees packs of cold drinks, that's about it. 5 hours and 15 minutes of moving time, but let's say और 1 घंटा लगा दो तो यहाँ से मेरे को 1 घंटा लग जाएगा. So let's say 6 hours and 15 to 6 hours and 20 minutes of ride time. 1 घंटे में 20 किलोमीटर, 20 से 23 किलोमीटर तो पहुँच जाएगा ना. So yeah, that is that. More coming up. Okay, absolute last leg. 126 kilometer done, and I probably have about 6 to 7 kilometers left to reach home. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you on the next.